Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your ADA tokens smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This guide is straightforward, designed for beginners and pros alike, so let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Uphold and Kraken. Verification is key for security and to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Head to your dashboard, locate your Cardano, ADA, wallet, and select the Withdraw or Send option. Before you proceed, switch over to Kraken. Log in, navigate to your wallet section, and find your Cardano deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Crypto addresses are super sensitive, so double check for accuracy to prevent any lost funds. Now, back in Uphold, paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, but remember to account for network fees. Cardano uses its own blockchain, so make sure you're selecting the correct network to avoid errors. Review all the details on the next screen: amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation message and the transaction will start processing. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's complete, log back into Kraken and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now on Kraken, ready for trading or staking. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. If you run into issues, reach out to their support teams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.